What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon, and it's a sad day. Freaking white lightning Astro van is dead. Of course, this had to happen right before, you know, the lawn care season's about to start. But like, the only thing I know it can be, I mean, I don't know what it can be because I don't know about cars, but I'm assuming it could be, it's the freaking alternator. I got it locked. Let me open it up here. I'm assuming it's an alternator because no good light. When I first got in it, it was working. Nah, let me take that back. When I first got in it, it beeped. It wasn't working, but it had a beep to it. And then once I turned the key, it was like dead. There's no beep beep beep, no nothing. So I said, well, I just bought a new battery like a month ago, so I know it can't be the battery. It can't be. So it had to be something that drained the battery, and from my knowledge, that's usually the alternator. Which, I mean, it's not a big deal because, you know, you change the alternator, you know, once you get the alternator changed, then you take the battery back to the place you bought it from, and with the warranty, they usually give you a new, a new battery. But guess what? The hood won't freaking open. Like, I've been having problems with the hood. Like, when I pull it, you know, sometimes it opens, sometimes it don't, and I have to keep pulling it a couple times. But of course, on like the coldest day of the year, I was sitting out here for like 20 minutes trying to pop the hood, and I couldn't pop the hood. Because my thing was like, if I could pop the hood and then you know, pop the hood, then jump it, let it run for a bit, then see if it dies again, then I 100% know it's the alternator. Well, I already know it's the alternator if the battery is dead, because I just bought a new battery like a year ago. So, you know, this van, I just finished bragging about this van, like how dependable this van was. This van's been more dependable than my freaking Magnum, and now it's like freaking but you know, that's life, man. So after I couldn't get the freaking hood to pop, I just gave up and I went inside. So now I'm back out here. It's a couple hours later. I'm gonna see if I can get the hood to pop again. Hopefully, if I get the hood to pop, I'm gonna try to jump it with my Magnum, and we're gonna go from there. If I can get it running, I'll let y'all know. All right, more snow, people. I go out here and clean my car off. Got more freaking snow. As you can see, I was trying to jump my van. Perfect time for my van to break down right before lawn care season. Okay, people. I'm about to be, it's been a couple of days now. to try and figure out this van, right? And I'm gonna be super duper mad and happy at the same time if it was the suggestion that my friend gave me. My friend was like, honk the horn. If the horn's not working, then either the battery's dead or the terminals are not connected, you know, the black, the positive and the negative. So I said, all right. So I came home. First thing I did, tried to honk the horn. Second thing I did was check the connections. The black one's loose. Then I went to honk the horn. Really? Please tell me it was just that simple, man. Please tell me it was just that simple. I think it's probably a little dead or something. Oh my gosh. Oh. Y'all don't know how good that sounds. Listen to white lightning purr. Oh my God. Freaking black terminal. Really? All the way over here in the corner. I gotta take the battery out to even tighten it up. Woo! Man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Yes, sir.